guys? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're having a wonderful 2018. And you know, this year is totally different. You do totally different from last year. You do great new things, different things, try new things, all that good stuff. So I want to update you guys on what's coming up for the Lexus. We're finally doing a mod for it. We're finally doing something, you know, that it's considered a mod, at least to me. You know, all the stuff I done, that's just, you know, that's some extra stuff, not needed. But nonetheless, I did it. Makes the car look different. Anyways, I just ordered coilovers for the car. Ordered them this afternoon. They should be here probably at the end of next week or mid next week, something like that. But as soon as they come, I already talked to my boy Jeff, the guy that did the lowering springs for my cousin's Civic, and he will be installing them. He warned me about warranty, you know, since the car's still under warranty, you know, I'll probably lose it, or you know, if there's a recall on the suspension or something related to that, it will come out of pocket for me to fix it. And you know, that's a risk I'm willing to take, and you know, I can't turn back on it now. I already ordered them and there's no way I'm returning them. So like I said, like, you know, in my first experience at Import Alliance, like I said, I want my car to be in the showcase. Probably it won't be there, you know, this year, but I will try to get it there. But you know, it's gonna be a car that's gonna stand out for sure. But it might not be on showcase, sadly, but we will get it there. Another news to the channel, I want to let you guys know that I will be doing another giveaway. I haven't done one since last year when I did a selfie stick, and you know, that was it was something, you know, it was the first giveaway, you know, when I started the YouTube channel. Now, you know, I'm 235, I believe, subscribers, something like that. You know, I want to make the channel grow this year. I want to work on it more this year. Hope with you guys' support I can do that, you know. So I will be doing two giveaways. I will be doing a $15 giveaway for whenever we reach 300 subscribers. You know, I will pick the winners from the subscribers list. And if you know, some of you guys have your settings to doesn't show, you know, who you're subscribed to and all that stuff. So if you guys want to still be able for me to know, you know, that you're a follower or a subscriber, you can follow me on Instagram at JohnnyTube, and you know, the link will be in the description below, like it is on all the videos, and you can follow me there. I will, you know, consider that also as, you know, an entry for the giveaway. If you do not win the $15 giveaway, don't worry. Both of them will be gift cards. So the other one is going to be a $50 gift card. I haven't made up my mind yet for what, you know, maybe a restaurant, maybe a gaming gift card, I don't know, something. But I will have two, a $15 gift card for 300 subscribers, and a $50 gift card for when I hit 500 subscribers. So you know, you have two chances to win. All you have to do is be a subscriber. If your settings are in private, you know, you can follow me on Instagram, or shoot me a message on Instagram to show me, you know, you're a subscriber, and you know, I will consider you. You know, I will enter you in the giveaway, and you can win. You know, it's that simple. All you have to do is subscribe or follow me on Instagram, you know, so you can keep up with the channel, all the builds that we have coming up, all the mods, everything, you know, related to the channel. So that's it, guys. I didn't want to make a long video. So like I said, in the next week we'll probably be doing the coilover install on the Lexus, and we'll see what comes next, what we do next, intake, wheels, who knows. So follow me on Instagram at JohnnyTube, link in the description below, like I said, so you don't miss anything, any new content coming up. I'll let you know what I will post on YouTube, when I will post it. So you know, do that. Also subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.